If you're looking to engrave the inside or outside of rings with precision and ease, this Orotig Canova laser engraving machine is the tool for the job. It's fast, accurate and easy to use, perfect to personalise wedding rings, gifts or bespoke designs. With its dedicated ring attachment and Marko software, you'll have professional results in minutes. The Orotig Canova 50 is a 50-watt fibre laser engraver, perfect for detailed engraving on metals including gold, silver, platinum and more. Start by plugging in the ring holder attachment, which is supplied with your Canova machine. Then twist on the second part of the holder until it clicks into place securely. Turn the rotary device to select whether you're engraving the inside or outside of the ring and place it in. In the Marko software, create a new text piece and select your font, ideal to change for any occasion, names, dates or meaningful phrases. Resize and move your text to fit the ring outline. Use the software interface to position it exactly where you want it on the ring's inner surface. You can also import an image. For this demo, we're adding a small heart icon between the names. Make sure everything is centered correctly using the ring outline preview. Now it's time to check your engraving settings. The power, frequency and marking loops all adjust to suit your chosen metal. Confirm whether you're engraving inside or outside of the ring. The Canova will auto adjust the tilt angle for the ring's thickness. You can also manually change the angle using the side dial if needed. Now the preview function will run a short laser marker test showing where the design will be placed. Now close the lid once you're happy with the positioning. Hit the blue Engrave button and then the process begins. The Marko software actually shows a countdown timer during the engraving so you can see exactly how long is left. Once complete, remove your ring and inspect the final result, clean, crisp and perfectly aligned. Want to see the Canova in action? Book a demonstration online or visit our Birmingham store to find out how this incredible machine can elevate your jewellery workspace.